What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another motor vlog. Riding with a couple friends today at this motocross track that I haven't been to in well over a year. It always ruts up pretty nice. If you see my videos, ruts are pretty intimidating to me. I got to get better at them. The only way to get better at them is to try them. So I got to just force myself to come here more often and shove my bike into those ruts and practice it. But besides trying to get some rut practice in, we're going to practice our jumping skills and overall, like always, just have fun. I don't know what this looks like. Okay, that's a little tabletop. Oh my god! Before I start jumping things, I really like to remember what all the jumps look like and try to warm my body up a little bit. Odie's just coming in charging, man. Just shredded. That's a really fun rhythm section, man. What's up, YouTube? This jump right here, I landed way too far out. I landed here in the flat in the mud and my head hit the handlebar so hard. This thing just went flying. Honestly, just like conquering a rut, just going through that is an accomplishment for me. Oh, damn it. I need to get on the brakes faster for that one. Let's get this one. Ah. With my buddy Matt here for a second. Woo! He's absolutely shredding on that 250. Why is he 250 two-stroke, man? Wasn't terrible. Oh, hit that cone really hard with my knuckle. Woo! Oh, that looks sick. Did you see how high up my front end was? Well, I tried to go ahead and hit that, and I Ronnie Mac the crap out of it. I am surprised that I survived that. All right, David, get it. Oh! Oh! Just a little bit more, dude. Here, just like this. My God. Scary fast, dude. All right, David, you got it. Stick the corner, fully commit to it. You got it, man. Woo! All right, Odie, let's see it. Oh, he's just coming way outside and launching it. Nice brake tap, bro. That was sick. Woo! Nice. Alright, that looks pretty good. Alrighty, people. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video of me just getting absolutely sketchy. Clearly, I need to practice my form, my body positioning, my ruts, my confidence. I just need to commit to more things and in the correct form, obviously. But one thing I definitely noticed riding here today is even when I felt like I was really committing to the ruts and was on the front of the bike, I felt like I was having a hard time having the front end like really dive into the corner. It felt like it always wanted to pop out. Like it was so difficult to get it to lay into the rut. So my friend Matt recommended that I take the forks and push them up just a couple millimeters in the triple clamp, and that might help. So I'm definitely going to try that before my next ride and see if that helps me. But overall, we had a great fun day, and I will definitely be back to this track to practice quite a bit more. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.